Okay, in today's Tech Tuesday tip, I'm going to talk to you about an app called PDF Mergy. It's over here in the Chrome Web Store, and you do a search PDF space Mergy, and then make sure that you go below the extensions into the apps, and it's right here. I've already added mine, so I've got the green. You will have the blue add to Chrome, and then it'll ask you if you want to make sure you want to add it. What PDF Mergy does is it takes individual student documents or your documents and merges them into one PDF file to where then you as a teacher can go and just print one time and then all your student files would be printed out. Right now, if you don't have the PDF Mergy app, you would have to individually go into the assignment, click on the assignment of the student, and then right click, open with, print, go come out of it, go back into the next student and open it and then print it. This PDF Mergy is a very beneficial app if you are a tactile instructor that needs to have that piece of paper in your hands to do the markups for your students. But you're still wanting your students to submit the assignment digitally. So I've got the app installed. I navigate to the assignment. So I've gone from my drive to Google Classrooms folder, then to my individual computer class, and then from there I pick the assignment. Now I can go do a Control A to select all of my documents, or I can draw a box around all of my documents with the mouse to select them all. Once they are turned blue, I just simply choose one of the documents and point to it, right click on it instead of left clicking on it. And I come down here to open with, then I choose the PDF Mergy app. It's going to open up into another tab. All of my files will then populate within this window. I double check to make sure I've grabbed them all. And then for the purposes of this recording, I do not have any student names, but it is always a good idea to make sure your students are putting their names on the documents, and this will help you double check to make sure you are retrieving every single student's file. Click on Merge. Now the merge is going to take however long the document is. So each of there was about 20 students in this particular class. This was only a one-page assignment, so this should take less than 5 minutes. If this was like an essay or a research paper, then your merge is going to take a little bit longer. So we'll wait for it to populate. Now, once it's done populating, you have the choice of saving the PDF to your computer or saving it to Google Drive. I'm going to choose Google Drive because I keep everything in my Google Drive. And then I want to rename my PDF the assignment. So this was Computer 5B, and this was their MLK HyperDoc assignment. You can add whatever else like a due date to it. So I click on OK, and then what it's doing is it's saving then to my Google Drive. I can either go to Google Drive, open up the PDF and print it, or I can actually show it right here still on this tab. From here, if I wasn't on a Chromebook, I would then just hit the print button and print then the document. And my document has been converted from one-page individual documents to 28 pages. Now, side note, when you are using PDF Mergy, please make sure that you do add a name field to the actual digital document, even though their name will also be on the actual digital assignment, and type it. That way, when you are printing these out, you will see which person you are actually grading. Hope this helps you on your Tech Tuesday tip.